Hello everyone, this is Donner and Blitzen's white collar female. The last available pup from Donner and Blitzen. It's a blue girl, the white collar female. We're just going to do a little quick video to let you see her. She's very sweet, beautiful blue female, just a sweetheart, very sweet natured, beautiful girl, a lot like Blitzen, very sleek, soft coat, but beautiful. That's the white collar, Donner and Blitzen. Beautiful slick coat. Very nice companion. Donner and Blitzen are excellent companions. That's what we expect out of their puppies. Just a beautiful. You will have a larger female. These will be larger. Just the way the parents are, Donner and Blitzen. A little larger, but still lots of drive. Excellent companions. I'll give you another quick look of her. But that's Donner and Blitzen's white collar female. She's ready to run around and play. If you have any questions on her, just let us know. She is available at this time.